Someone here has stopped chasing, begging, stopped reacting, and the moment you've pulled your energy back, this person completely lost control of the situation. Now, this was someone who thought you would always stay, always wait, always fight for this connection, no matter how badly they treated you. But your silence, your distance, I feel, your emotional detachment over here, it shocked them more than you realize here. Okay, because I do see a single era. Somebody's in a single era right now, and today's reading is not a normal love reading because I am seeing someone secretly watching you, checking your energy, trying to understand why you changed. And I'm also seeing unexpected communication coming for many of you very, very soon. Very soon. Okay, and so before we begin, like this particular video and comment I claim this energy because the cards already started moving before I even sat down to record. And that usually happens when a major shift is about to happen in love, because I see a lot of fears, phobias, heartbreak, grief, lot of anxiety. I also see a third party intervention, or maybe your person is thinking that you're moving on or talking to someone else here. So we'll do a deep dive. Of course, we'll see what's going on because these are just the highlights that I'm talking about right now. So namaskar everyone. My name is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. Welcome back to the channel. And today's reading already feels intense. Already feels, as if it's somebody who took back the power here. I'm picking up What I'm picking up is someone who intentionally created distance, confusion, emotional chaos, almost like they wanted to see how much control they still had over you. But the shocking thing here is your reaction was not what they expected. Not at all what they expected. You stopped chasing, you stopped overthinking, you stopped explaining, over explaining, you emotionally pulled back. Okay, you emotionally pulled back, and now this person is sitting in deep regret and emotional panic because they thought you would keep fighting for them forever. And if this already resonates, quickly like the video because it really helps the channel reach more people who need this message, and subscribe because so many people are watching the reading but forgetting to subscribe this particular channel. So please don't do that because that's my motivation, guys. And if you are from India or understand Hindi, do subscribe to my Hindi channel as well, which is Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi channel, and I'm uploading long details reading there too. And even if Hindi is not your language, you can always turn on the auto translation mode on. Okay, so now just quickly let's just begin because the energy here feels very personal, very, very personal. The cards that I've laid in front of me, I want to tap into your energy first. What I see is you are grieving, but you're also deciding to be in a single, being single. There's a lot of emotional exhaustion, whether to wait, whether not to wait. And there's someone who gave you so, breadcrumbs emotionally, who kept, you are someone who kept on trying to hold the connection together while the other person kept creating instability in your life, and still you don't know whether to stay or to move on. I'm hearing, why was I always the one trying? And many of you cried in silence, is what I see at night, especially Pisces energy. Many of you waited for messages that never came in. Some of you kept checking your phone at night. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, very strong. Pisces energy, very strong. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And I am also seeing sleepless energy here. Sleepless energy here, overthinking, anxiety. But the interesting thing is recently someone shifted inside, something shifting inside you. Okay, or maybe someone shifted some perspective inside you. You started realizing, I cannot keep abandoning myself for love. That realization changed everything energetically, and this person expected emotional reactions from you. They expected you to chase them after every hot and cold cycle, okay? But instead, you became quiet, and that silence is louder than any argument you could have had with them, okay? And what I see, this person maybe even keeping an eye on you, stalking, and maybe looking at your stories and thinking, have you moved on? Are you still there waiting for them? Maybe checking with your common with in case if you have common friends, trying to understand whether you have moved on emotionally or are you still waiting for them. So comment hype if the situation is still your situation, because this energy is shifting, and it's shifting very 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 fast, because I do see that this person is unblocking you as well now. If they have at all blocked you on phone or energetically as well, they are now ready to listen, they are now ready to unblock you. And okay, now wait, this is important because I do see that the karma is being served here, the balance is being maintained here. Libra energy. Okay, I see karma entering in the situation. For some of you, this person may randomly text after a long time, because I do see that this person is now trying to heal, now making moves, and this person now understand that you are certain somebody who is constant in their life, okay? And they know that you are that constant person, and that is why they are thinking about reaching out to you, okay? Thinking about reaching out to you, thinking whether you have moved on or you're still there. But this person actually thought you would contact first, and your silence bruised their ego deeply. Comment, they miss me, if you feel this person still thinks about you, because the energy here is becoming extremely emotional. Trust me, it is becoming very emotional right now. And if you ask me why they sabotage the connection, what I can see with the cards here, this part, okay, this part is honestly sad, because I don't feel this person sabotaged the connection because they didn't care. I feel they sabotaged it because they were emotionally immature. They were emotionally immature, they couldn't handle it. And I do see this, page of swords energy over here, which tells me that, this person has deep fear of vulnerability here. Okay, they cannot show how weak they are, or every time the connection became serious, they sort of pulled away, is what I see. Okay, is what I see right now. Okay, it became intense, they created drama, confusion, or distance, let's say. And that what they kept on thinking, and they actually struggle to give you that reassurance back in this connection. Sorry, I'm just. And many of you dealt with someone who tested you emotionally as well. And right now you are in that phase wherein you're trying to heal. Little mind games, delayed replies, pulling away suddenly, acting cold after intimate moments as well. When you guys actually, well, probably you shared something. Subconsciously, this person wanted proof. Will you still stay even if I hurt you? And honestly, that's not healthy love. That's not healthy love. I'm also hearing they never expected consequences. This person genuinely thought you would tolerate everything forever. But your energy changed. You stopped proving your love, you stopped begging for clarity. And that completely destabilized them emotionally. Now let's see, what are your current thoughts and feelings. Sorry, their current thoughts, your person's current thoughts and feelings. This person misses you far more than they show you. Okay, the ego is huge here though. Okay, very very huge, very huge Leo energy. So this person keeps pretending they are okay externally while internally they replay conversation with you constantly. And I'm seeing regret. I'm seeing nostalgia, I'm seeing guilt, I'm seeing longing here. And someone here is definitely comparing everyone to you right now, because what they had with you felt emotionally safe, even if they didn't appreciate it fully at that time. And I also feel many of you are dealing with someone who avoided accountability in the past. What I also see now, the reality is actually hitting them hard because your absence created emotional emptiness in their life. Like, literally, they are feeling, they are healing, but they are also feeling some absence. And the more you heal, the more they feel they pulled you energetically. They pull toward you energetically. So, this person keeps asking themselves, did I ruin the best thing I ever had? Did I ruin the stability and security I ever had in my life? Okay, so that's what I feel. The strongest zodiac signs are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo energy, and I see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces as well, very strongly. Actually, all the signs I see here. But please remember, energies can resonate beyond signs. So this could be your sign, their moon sign, your sign, their Venus sign, or simply the energy surrounding the connection. Okay. Now, what is happening behind the scenes? What I see right now, this person is going through emotional awakening privately right now. Okay. Literally, emotional awakening privately right now. I'm seeing nights where they cannot sleep properly, overthinking, checking messages, feeling emotional waves of, waves unexpectedly. And I'm also seeing outside influences here. For some of you, family interference affected this connection. Like I said, third party intervention. And for others, fear of commitment and third party distractions or emotional immaturity is what I see. But the strongest thing I am seeing here is this person cannot ignore your energy anymore. Anymore. You became emotionally unavailable to someone who depend on you, on your emotional presence. Okay, on your emotional presence here, and they want to come forward now. What is going to happen next is what I feel with the chariot coming out right now is the energy is moving really fast. I see it, I definitely see in communication, but this person feels nervous approaching you because they don't know whether you still want them or not. And honestly, many of you changed spiritually and emotionally during this particular separation. And this person may come back softer than before, less ego, more emotional. And I'm hearing, I don't want to lose you completely. Some of you may receive late night text, unexpected calls, emotional confessions, apologies, and for some viewers, this person may suddenly become very active online around you,